Hi, I'm Sophia, and this is the 6th video in Artsphere's Animate Anything series. In this lesson, you'll just need some clay, and if you have several colors, that works great, but if you only have one, that works too. Also, put down some wax paper or foil if you're working on a surface that clay can't be wiped off of. First, your character is going to start out as a ball. Get a smooth ball rolled up, and then you're going to flatten it slightly like a thick hamburger patty, like so. Then pinch in 5 points of your circle that you've made. These will become the arms and legs and the head. Careful to keep your clay all in one piece when you're pinching. When the clay separates, it's harder to stay together when you animate with it later on. Keep pinching the lumpy star that you've made and push the clay from the center of your character out to each point, eventually creating arms and legs by making each point longer and longer. As you go along, try letting your star shape stand on its own to make sure that all of the sides are even and that it will be proportional. Keep moving the clay out to the arms and the legs, making the legs thicker so that they can hold up the rest of the body. Here I squeeze the arms to get a hand shape without adding more clay, and my character will be a monkey, so I'm also adding some ears. Adding on facial features and accessories is great, especially if you have more than one clay color. But if you only have one, you can cut out eyes and facial features from paper and stick them onto your character. Here, I'm also adding a tail to my monkey, but once your character is able to stand by itself, you can add extra accessories and features like tails, clothes, hats, whatever you can think of. Lastly, practice moving your character little by little as you would using the stop motion app. If your character is stable, then you're good to go. Thanks for watching!